Guys, can 5,000 naira cook a pot of soup for a family of 5 in this present day economy? Let's see. I'm on my way to the market now to go and get the things, and I'll keep people posted. Guys, you can see I'm already in the market. This is my bag, this is my 5,000 naira, and this is my market list. Let's see what 5,000 naira can cook a pot of soup. So guys, follow me to the market. Guys, we are at the meat stand now. In my list, I have meat of 2,000 naira. So I've asked the guy now to cut meat of 2,000 naira for me. And that will be enough for our soup. No cut down. I want better place, so better place. So guys, I'm in the stand now where I'll buy the egusi and other things. Egusi now is 500 for 1 cup. So I'm buying 200, which is 1,000 naira. So you can see she's cooking 2 cups of egusi for me. Madam, full ammo. Then you go give me oil 300 naira. You give me crayfish 100 naira. You give me maggi 50 naira. Then you go give me stockfish 500 naira old. Yes, all this is now I won't buy from you. Eh? So you don't put egusi now. Let that stockfish is 500 this side. Okay. The 500 naira old for this one. Give me some 500 naira. Then give me some. How much for no? No. One is 50 naira. Give me 15 naira. Oh, don't worry. Give me the no. Then give me crayfish 100 naira. Crayfish 100 naira. You don't get onions? No. Give me crayfish 100 naira.
Good afternoon, everybody. Happy New Year to you all. May the Lord bless you.
So everything comes. Okay, the oil. Give me the oil now.
It's a privilege to be your means.
At one point, make the oil no burst too.
I appreciate the name of the Lord.
Why not give me some for? Why not give me for 300 naira? But yeah, poor now, poor.
For making us to see ourselves.
Poor now, poor.
For so many songs last month. But they couldn't see
this Cameroon pepper, how much? 15 naira for 1. Okay, give me 1, and that one go reach me. Give me 1. Hope this thing when she cook my egusi soup, 2 cups of egusi soup. Okay. Okay. So give me that Cameroon pepper now. 1. We are doing it, though. We are doing it. No wahala. Papa may not see our bag. You don't come and finish. Oh yeah, now take money 2,000. Everything 2,000. You put them inside here. So guys, I'm using uziza leaf, but you can use ugu leaf. So I just bought one of 200 naira now. Then I'm buying this fish. I'm buying 500 naira worth of fish. So give me the fish.
Yes.
Our 5,000 naira is going. It's almost gone.
Many people have died. Not in accident.
Thank you. Then thank for your. Then what is left for me to buy now? Do I buy Kanda or do I buy Isam? So which one do I buy? I think Isam. Oh yeah. Give me Isam 200 naira. How much for you? No, that's what to buy. That's the tomato cost. That's for me. Just me 200, I beg. So I'm buying Isam. Thank you. So what is left for us to buy now is onions, and we are good to go. Let me go out and buy onions, 100 naira. So we want to buy the last thing on our list, which is onions. So this is onions. Onions, 100 naira. Can you guys see onions, 100 naira for our soup? So take, Thank you. We are done now, and I'm going home to go and cook our 1 pot of soup of 5,000. We are cooking egusi soup. So guys, let's go home and let's go and cook. So my people, I'm back from the market, and on my table are the things we bought for 5,000 naira. So this is the meat I bought for 2,000 naira. Then this is egusi I bought 1,000 naira because a cup of it is 500 naira. This is crayfish of 100 naira, though I use part of it to blend the egusi. Palm oil 300 naira. Dry kpanla fish, this is 500 naira. This is the kpanla fillet we bought for 500 naira. Then periwinkle, this is 200 naira. Uziza leaves, this one is 200 naira. Onions, this is 100 naira. Blended Cameroon pepper, this is 50 naira. And then our cube, this is 50 naira. So guys, if you calculate everything, it sums up to 5,000 naira. So we are going to cook our low budget egusi soup for family of 5 now. So let's do it. So guys, I've washed the meat thoroughly now. I'll now add the fish fillet, so the stock fish fillet is going to be soft. Then I'll add in cube, salt. Then I'll add in some onions, and I'll add in some pepper for flavor. Then I'll allow it to boil until it is tender. So guys, you can see the pot is empty. That is because the meat is already cooked and I've taken it out. So now I'm going to cook the egusi with the frying method. First of all, I'll add in some palm oil. Then I'll add onions and let it fry. I'm using all the onions I bought because I don't want to waste any of our ingredients. So allow it to fry until it's okay. Now I'll pour in the blended egusi. I'll pour in the meat and the stock. Now add in the fish, crayfish, pepper, then I'll add in some more water. Combine everything and I'll cover the pot and let it cook well, because you have to allow your egusi to cook very well. At this point, I'll add in some oil, some salt, so you can cook with the other ingredients. So I'll cover the pot. So guys, this is after 5 minutes it's been cooking. I'll add the other cube so I can use all of them. Then I'll add in periwinkle, optional. Then I'll add our uziza. You can add any vegetable of your choice. I'll stir the pot and our low budget soup for family of 5 for 2 days is ready. My people, if you have watched me up to this moment, please hit the subscribe button, keep liking my videos, follow me on all social media platforms, and guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.